Hello student, welcome to Make Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the NRL exam official cutoff. This is not the exactly data which I have getting from the official website, but the data which I have received from the student perspective who has qualified that particular examination, and based on that we will analysis how much marks required for going for the interview round. So all these details we will discuss in this video, so you need to stay at the end of the video, and if you have any query do mention in comment box, and if you want one-to-one interaction do join our Telegram channel. The link of Telegram channel is given in the description box. So let's begin with the videos. So as per the data which I have received from the student NRL GT examinations, so there are two conditions which is applicable for this analysis. One condition, few of the student who is getting more than 80 marks based on the shift, but the normalization has been taken care, that's why the raw marks is going to decrease for the few of the cases. And few of the cases of student who is getting 80 marks, after normalization he got 82 marks. So based on that we will analyze these conditions for the cutoff marks of NRL GT examinations. So as of now in our group there are total 3 candidates are shortlisted on NRL GT examination for the group task and interview. Based on the review on that and few other students who has already shortlisted in different category along with the different branches, we will come with that. The student who is got more than 82 marks, 81 to 82 marks, he is shortlisted for the next group task round in case of unreserved candidate. Similarly for the OBC student who has got 77 to 78 marks, more than that, they will be shortlisted for interview round. And similarly for the SC and ST 73 as well as 71 marks, around that they will clear that particular first round of CBT and going for the next group task round. As we are expected that the marks which I have predicted earlier around 82 marks are exactly similar with that particular examination. If you want, you can also go on a playlist, you can check that I have already predicted the marks of cutoff marks for that particular NRL examination, and exactly same thing happening for this examination. I have also predicted for the Oil India as well as SPCN, almost close to that I have reached to that particular examination as well. So if you haven't watched that type of video, then do subscribe our channel. You will get definitely this type of content in the future. So I have received lots of comment related to the cutoff marks. I have discussed few of the students, that's why I'll come with this conclusion. And if you need any other information related to this, do mention in comment box. And if you want to one-to-one interaction, do join our Telegram channel. So if you like our videos, definitely subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.